Hello students, welcome to Learn Guru classes. So today we are going to solve problems from exercise 6.2 under the chapter Lines and Angles in your NCERT book. So there are a total of 6 questions in this chapter, and in this video we are going to solve the first 3 questions and the next 3 questions will be covered in the next video. So to understand the problems, you need to have a very clear knowledge about parallel lines, transversals, different types of angles such as alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, corresponding angles, vertically opposite angles, and consecutive interior angles. So a recap of the parallel lines and the relationship between different angles are given here. So AB and CD are the two parallel lines. Okay, so and EF is the transversal meeting the line AB at the point P and CD at the point Q. Okay, so as soon as the transversal cuts these parallel lines, 8 angles are formed. Okay, so the first line in the transversal forms angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Similarly, the second line also forms the angles 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Now, as these angles are formed, okay, depending on the position of the angles, we name it differently. Okay, so let's have a look at the angles. Okay, so first of all, corresponding angles. So I am not going into the detail why it is corresponding angle. A detailed video has already been uploaded in the channel. If you want, you can refer the video. Okay, I am just telling the angle relationship. Okay, so angle 1 equals to angle 5. Okay, corresponding angles are angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 2 equals to angle 6 are the corresponding angles. Again, angle 3 equals to angle 7 and angle 4 equals to angle 8. Next comes as alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles means the opposite angles that are lying within the parallel lines. Okay, so here angle 4 equals to angle 6. Okay, so these are alternate interior angles and they are equal, and angle 3 equals to angle 5. Okay, these are also all interior angles, alternate interior angles, and they are equal. Next comes alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. So alternate exterior angle, so by the name itself you can identify that they are lying opposite as well as they are lying outside the parallel line. So here obviously angle 1 equal to angle 7. These are exterior angles, also they are alternate exterior angles, and angle 2 equals to angle 8. So all these are applicable in case of parallel lines. Parallel lines makes corresponding angles equal, alternate interior angles equal and alternate exterior angles equal. Also, we have another term that is consecutive interior angle. So consecutive interior angle, consecutive means one after the other, and interior means lying in between the parallel lines. So angle 4 and angle 5 are the alternate consecutive interior angle, and angle 3 and angle 6 also make consecutive interior angle. So the relationship between them is that the sum of the consecutive interior angles is 180 degree. That is angle 4 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degree, and angle 3 plus angle 6 also makes 180 degree. So if you remember these angle relationships, then you can easily solve the questions in your exercise. Along with this, you should also have knowledge about the 4 theorems which has already been done in the last class. So these are the 4 theorems which you should know. Question number 1 is, in figure, find the values of x and y and then show that AB parallel CD. Okay. So first of all, AB and CD are missing in this figure. So let's write down, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay. Now you see, we are to find out the unknown values of x and y. Okay. So let's write here solution. If you see here carefully, angle x and 50° makes a linear pair and the sum of the linear pair is 180°. So we will write that x plus 50° equals to 180°. So simply x is coming here as 180° minus 50°, that is 130°. So why? What is the reason? Since it is a linear pair. Okay. Okay, so x comes as 130°. So the value of x has been already determined. Now you see here, this angle y and 130° are vertically opposite angles, and we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So we will write y equals to 130° because vertically opposite angle. Okay, so the value of x as well as y has been found out. Now if you see here, x and y are in such a position that they are alternate interior angles, right? And alternate interior angles are equal. So if you see the values of x, x is 130° and y is as well as 130°, as well as x and y are interior angles. So we can say that AB parallel CD. Now how will you write? So since x and y are alternate interior angles and x equal to y equals to 130°. So in parallel lines only alternate interior angles are equal. So we can say that therefore AB is parallel CD. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 1. Second question is, in figure, if AB parallel CD, CD parallel EF and y is to z equals to 3 is to 7, find x. So clearly from the diagram we can see that AB is parallel CD, CD is parallel EF, so evidently AB is also parallel to EF. But that's not the question. You are to find out the value of x. Okay, and the hint that is provided to you is that y is to z equals to 3 is to 7. So that we will be using as the weapon to find out the value of x. So y is to z equals to 3 is to 7. So y equals to 3k we can write and z equal to 7k we can write from the concept of ratio and proportion. Now if you see here carefully, this x and this y are what? They are consecutive interior angles and the sum of the consecutive interior angles is 180°. So we will write, since sum of consecutive interior angles is 180°. So we can write x plus y equals to 180°. Okay. So give this as equation 1. Now if you see here, this y, okay, and suppose this angle we just name it as w. Okay. So y plus w makes a linear pair, and linear pair, the sum of the linear pair is 180°. So we can write that y plus w equals to 180 degree and we call it as linear pair. So give this as equation 2. Now W and Z are what? These are consecutive angles. Okay, since CD parallel EF, so W is equal to Z. So W equal to Z. Why? Because what? Since CD parallel EF, so corresponding angles are equal. Angles are equal. Okay, so this can write as 3. So putting the value of W, in 2, we have that what? Y plus Z equals to 180 degree. And we already know the value of Y, that is 3K, and Z is 7K equals to 180 degree. So here this is 10K, 180 degree, so K equals to 18 degree. Okay, so Y comes as, the value of Y comes as how much? This is 3 into 18 degree, that is 54 degree, and the value of Z comes as 7 into 18 degree, that is how much? 18 into 7, that is 18 into 7, 56, 8, 9, 12, 126, right? So 126 degree. Okay, so we can use the value of Y to find out X from equation 1. So therefore, from equation 1, we have X is unknown to us, still unknown to us. Y is 54 degree, 180 degree. So X equals to 180 degree minus 54 degree, that is 126 degree, right? 126 degree. So the value of X is 120. Question number 3 is, in figure, if AB parallels CD, EF is perpendicular to CD and angle GED equals to 126 degree, find AGE, that is this angle, find AGE, angle GEF, that is this angle, and FGE, that is FGE, that is this angle, Okay, so first of all, you see here AB is parallel to CD. Of course, AB is parallel to CD. EF is parallel to perpendicular to CD. That is, it makes 90 degree on both the two sides. Okay. So, and angle GED equals to 126 degree. That is angle GED. That is this angle. This angle. Okay. GED 126 degree. Okay, so you are to find out AGE, GEF and FGE. Okay, now let's forget that this is a perpendicular is there in the figure, and just see that this GE is the transversal. Okay, GE is the transversal. Now this angle is equal to this angle because these are alternate interior angles. Okay, so since AGE and angle GED are alternate interior angles and AB is parallel to CD, so we can write angle AGE equals to angle GED equals to 126 6 degree. So we have already found out angle AGE. Now GEF is this angle. Okay, so this can also be is very easy to find out because we have this GEF and angle GED forms a linear pair, right? No, GEF and FED is 90 degree, right? This 90 degree. So both of them makes the angle GED. So we will write, since angle GEF plus angle FED equals to angle GED. Okay, so GEF is, it's not known to us obviously. FED is 90 degree and this one is 126 degree. So angle GEF is how much? 126 degree minus 90 degree, that is 36 degree is the answer. Okay. So next we are left with angle FGE, that is this angle. Okay, now this is a it can be proven in two ways, that this angle and this angle are alternate consecutive interior angles, and so that will make sum as 180 degrees. So this is one way. Another way is that since AB parallel CD and EF is perpendicular to CD, so therefore EF is also perpendicular to AB, because these are parallel lines and the distance between the two parallel lines is same across all length. So obviously EF that is perpendicular to CD will also be perpendicular to AB as well, right? So from that we can say that GEF is a right angle triangle. So since GEF is a right angled triangle, so we have the values of your GFE, right? GFE is 90 degree. You have the value of GEF that has already been found out as, so it's very easy to find out the value of FGE. So we will write FGE plus angle GEF plus angle GFE equals to 180 degree. Okay, so FGE is how much? FGE is that on you have to find out, plus this is 90 degree and this is 36 degree. Okay, so this is 180 degree. So angle FGE equals to 180 degree minus 126 degree, that is 54 degrees the answer. Thus we come to the end of this video, where we have solved the first 3 questions from this chapter. The next 3 questions will be solved in the next video. So I hope you have understood the problems very well. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Learn Guru classes, like and share it with your friends and family. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.